Hello, I'm in a 2015 Mazda Mazda3, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side, we'll pop down, and you should see this release lever that will pull, and that'll release that safety cover. And if this is just completely loose, I'd double check this cable's still attached. If there's no cable there, that's something you might need to address. But since we pulled that, this should be loose now. So you can just swing this open now. And then from here, check nothing's bent or broken, no debris, and it is cleaned up. And if you're at the gas pump or with a gas can, now you can just twist this off to open it, and then just fill as needed. And check, make sure you're using the right gas for your make and model. But for this, I'd probably use something like a regular unleaded 87 for this model. Screw this on nice and tight when you're done. That click sound means you're tight. And then when you're done, just close this again. And once it's closed, this will lock it in place once again, and you'll have to go back up to the driver's side here to open it again if you have to. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.